All right, so this is our first grade class working on our second lesson of the week. This is bingo bowling. We're using 10 pins today instead of 6. The bowler gets 1 shot at the pins. However many pins fall over is the number that the scorekeeper will mark on the scorecard. When they have 5 in a row, up and down, left or right or diagonal, they will have bingo. Then they can erase their board and play again. Trying to see how many times their groups can make bingo today. So they'll get a shot from here, they'll roll. She knocked 1 down, so the scorekeeper will mark a 1. Do you have any 1s left to mark? Oh, no 1s left to mark on here. So they just rotate. We could use a 2 though. 2 would be a bingo, and so would a 6. See, 2 there, and so would a 6. So if somebody gets a 2 or a 6, you'll have bingo. Let's see. Let's see. This might be a 6. Ooh, a 7. Do you have any 7s left? Yeah. There you go. We'll mark that one off. Keep going. All right, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, right across the middle. A 4, 2 10s, and a 3. That'll work. Now you guys have bingo 1 time, so you can erase your sheet and play again. So they're working in groups of 3 or 4 today to take turns rolling the ball. Woo! Strike! Cal got a 10. You got any more 10s on there? All right, cross off one of those. Whatever one you think would be the best. Smart. That is a good one, because now all you need is a 5 at the bottom to win.
You know my dream is to be on camera.
Your dream is to be on camera?
No!
Congratulations, you're on camera. Little bowling bingo with first grade today.